Fidelity Brokerage Account Review 2025 Pros and Cons not sponsored. The surprising truth about investing is that the platform you choose can matter just as much as the investments themselves. In 2025, Fidelity continues to stand out, but let's look at the honest pros and cons. Fidelity offers a full-service brokerage account with access to a wide range of investments, including fractional shares, which allow you to start with very small amounts. There are no commissions on standard trades and no hidden maintenance fees. One of Fidelity's biggest strengths is education. New investors can access guides, videos, and market insights directly inside the app. For retirement savers, Fidelity integrates brokerage accounts with IRAs and employer plans seamlessly. However, you won't believe what happens next if you expect simplicity like a mobile-only app. Fidelity's platform is robust, but that means more menus and options. Some users may feel it's more complex than necessary for casual investing. In conclusion, Fidelity is best for investors who want to grow with their platform over time. Whether you're starting small or building a long-term portfolio, Fidelity offers flexibility and trust that few competitors can match.